a dynamic phase for the drone ecosystem, defined by innovation, collaboration, and operational advancements. Welcome back to our channel, viewers. I'm Paulami, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Let's start this month's news with a funding boost. Bengaluru-based startup SpaceFields has raised $5 million in a pre-series A funding round led by Globaz Technologies with participation from multiple investors including Rockstar Capital, Venture Catalysts and SIDBI. Chennai-based deep tech startup Welkinrim Technologies, incubated at IIT Madras' incubation cell, has raised Rs 4.76 crore in its latest funding round, led by GSF, Campus Angels Network, AC Ventures, and Forge Innovation and Ventures. Bengaluru-based drone startup Airbound, founded by 20-year-old Naman Pushp, has raised $8.65 million in seed funding led by Lachy Groom with participation from Lightspeed venture partners, Hamba Ventures, and industry veterans from Tesla, SpaceX, and Anduril. The Indian Navy has inked a 66 crore rupee contract with Odisha-based startup Crore Technologies Private Limited to induct indigenously developed underwater remotely operated vehicles into active service. Access Technologies Limited has secured a 7.99 crore contract from the Indian Army to supply advanced man-portable counter-drone systems. The indigenous system is designed for rapid deployment, high mobility, and effective neutralization of hostile UAVs across varied terrains. Paras Anti-Drone Technologies Private Limited has secured a 46.19 crore rupee order from the Ministry of Defence for the supply of advanced anti-drone systems and drone jammers. The Indian Army has initiated the induction of the indigenous Saksham counter UAS grid developed with Bharat Electronics Limited, Ghaziabad, to detect, track and neutralize hostile drones in real time. India and European Union conduct first counter-terrorism training in Manesar, aimed at strengthening protection of critical infrastructure and soft targets from emerging UAS threats. The 3-day program ran from 13th of October to 15th of October 2025. India posts to deploy drones for mail delivery in Naxal-affected Gadchiroli. The Postal Department plans to use drones to deliver mail across remote and forested villages, overcoming challenges posed by rivers and difficult terrain. Drone Federation of India launched Drone Udyog Sahyog 2025 to strengthen indigenous drone ecosystem in India. The initiative, structured as a buyer-seller meet, aims to connect drone manufacturers with component suppliers to enhance collaboration and innovation. In a major anti-smuggling operation, the Border Security Force intercepted 5 drones carrying narcotics and arms along the India-Pakistan border in Amritsar and Tarn. Acting on intelligence inputs, troops recovered DJI drones, including one laden with 1.144 kg of heroin, thwarting cross-border trafficking attempts. France has shown keen interest in India's long-range rockets, loitering munitions and anti-drone systems following their success in Operation Sindoor. During his New Delhi visit, French Army Chief General Pierre Skill discussed expanding defense cooperation with Indian Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi. DRDO unveils Surya, India's 300 kilowatt laser weapon system for next-generation air defense. The Ministry of Defence has introduced Surya as a cutting-edge directed energy weapon capable of neutralizing drones, missiles and aerial threats up to 20 km away. The Fire and Fury Corps successfully conducted the Drone Yodha competition in the high-altitude terrain of Ladakh, highlighting the tactical application of drone technology in extreme conditions. The event demonstrated the operational readiness and precision of unmanned aerial systems in mountainous environments. Skilled drone operators showcased exceptional expertise, reinforcing the growing role of drones in modern military operations. The Indian Air Force's Base 8 Repair Depot has signed a strategic tripartite MOU with Zupa Geonavigation Technologies Private Limited and IIT Madras to advance research and development in UAS and navigation technology. Skylark Labs and IdeaForge have entered a $35 million 5-year enterprise software licensing agreement to advance an AI-powered drone ecosystem. This partnership, expanding on their May 2024 collaboration, will integrate real-time detection, tracking, and recognition capabilities into IdeaForge's UAV fleet. Botlab Dynamics continues to redefine aerial artistry and innovation, setting a Guinness World Record in Mysuru Dasera with a 3,000 drone tiger formation, and later eliminating Ahmedabad's sky at Filmfare Awards 2025 with 500 drones celebrating 70 years of Indian cinema. Good Luck India, BrahMos Aerospace Thiruvananthapuram Limited and Axiscades Aerospace and Technologies Limited have formed a consortium to jointly bid for India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. The consortium aims to contribute to the nation's most ambitious fifth-generation fighter jet initiative. PTC Industries Limited and Bharat Dynamics Limited have signed an MOU to establish a joint venture for the design, development and production of propulsion systems, guided bombs and aero engines. The Municipal Corporation of Gurugram is set to use AI and drone technology to monitor 181 city ponds, aiming to protect and restore the city's threatened water bodies. Detailed mapping, including land boundaries and inflow sources, will be made publicly accessible on the MCG portal. Zupa Geonavigation Technologies and QBeats signed an MOU to co-develop quantum-assured GNSS independent navigation systems for UAS, enhancing resilience against GPS spoofing and jamming under India's Alt-PNT initiative. Daksha Unmanned Systems and CSCE Governance Services partnered to introduce Made in India drones in rural areas, focusing on agri-drone adoption, skill training and financing support for farmers and youth under the SBI Daksha MOU. And that brings us to the end of this month's Drone News Express. We hope that you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for more such updates about drones from all over the world, keep watching Drone Helpline.